Welcome back to the garden room. Now, due to the social distancing restrictions which are in place at the moment, I'm going to do this commentary without the help of Robin. Okay, so this is the back of the building with the trimmers for the Velux. Andy's cutting down the PIR board. It's got to be absolutely precise because we all know that Robin likes a tight fit. And Robin is using the Redstick level to mark the plumb cuts. And once they're all marked up, he uses the circular saw to cut the rafter ends, using gravity to assist him. The fascias are nailed on before the felt. This is the finishing nailer, used to position the boards, but actually the nails are a little bit on the light side for fixing the fascia, so Robin is resorting to the PAS load. And this is the porch, and Robin is checking the diagonals for square. This is the Milwaukee digital angle finder, and Robin's using it to check the angle of the roof so that he can pitch the porch to precisely the same angle. Now, we paid over £1,000 for this drone, and it's proved to be not very useful, but we're determined to get some footage from it before it goes on eBay. Now, he's cutting this bit out. Why is he doing that, we ask? Andy is rolling out the breather membrane. Just look at that air gap over the top of those insulation boards. Sprocket. And this is the plywood soffit. And this is the Milwaukee finishing nailer, gasless nailer. And these are the lay-boards for the valley rafters. Do you call those lay-boards, those bits? Anyway, they're the things you put the valley rafters on. These are the valley rafters. Now you can see why it made that cutout.
The front wet will slide out.
It's far enough, Andy.
Yeah.
Those corners meet the corner of the fascia.
This blue batten is BS graded, which means that it has fewer knots and can be readily identified by the building inspector. It's capable, on a good day, of supporting the weight of the man mountain who is known as Andy. Now it's getting late and it's getting dark, which is a great excuse for getting that Milwaukee light out. Now we will not go gently into that dark night, rage against the dying of the light. There's a skill builder hard hat for the first person to identify where that quote comes from. Okay, so don't forget to come back and see us soon, because there's more to come on this garden room. Obviously, he's not going to leave it like that. He'd never get paid.